me, Sweet Girls Hairdos,
and me, Ratchet Hairstyles.
and today we're gonna be making
Brownies!
Ha ha ha!
Get it? We're making brownies in the spirit of April
April
Fools.
Fools.
And so in order to make these brownies,
You're going to need 1 pouch of brownie mix,
1 egg,
1/4 cup of water, and we'll also need baking spray. You'll also need a pan.
and lastly, 1/4 cup of oil.
Yeah, let's do this.
Let's get started.
So, the first step is to heat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit.
Now let's figure out how to do
Yeah.
this.
Be big, try big.
Oh,
yeah.
there's too big.
I knew it.
Is it on? I think so. Wait. Is it
It's preheating. Yeah, it's working. I think.
And so the next step is to get your little baking pan and to grease it with some
Spray.
it's non-stick whatever.
Yeah.
Ew, you can shake it up.
In between, because it
I
like.
don't get it.
And the next step is to get a bowl. You guys are going to be mixing the water, the oil, and the egg, and the brownie mix all together until it's moist. That's good. So we put in the water now, the 1/4 cup of oil. Make sure there's
exciting part.
Make sure there's no eggshells in it.
Okay.
Because they're
It smells very, yeah. Oh my goodness, it looks so pretty.
That's all that. And then you gotta get some on your face so it looks like you did stuff, you know.
Oh, there are chocolate chips in here. No, that's not oil chunks. Yeah.
Okay, so now it should be at this consistency.
Whoa. And as you guys will see, it's a very nice chocolatey color.
Got it.
So for the next step, what you're gonna do is just evenly pour the batter into
Yes.
your pan. Now we are going to just pour it into our circular pan.
I hope there's like raw egg in there.
So we're done putting the brownies evenly-ish into the pan. And now we're going to just pat it down onto the table so it will have no bubbles in it. The next step is to pop it into the oven. So now we are ready to put our brownies into the what's it called? Oven.
And
Which has been preheating for
10 minutes.
Yes.
And you want to keep it in there for
38 to 42 minutes.
I put in the second run, right?
Seconds, and that's like evenly
It's so
balanced.
hot.
So now it's good in the oven, and we're gonna let it stay in there for 38 to 42 minutes.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's been 40 minutes already, and we think it's already cooked. Our brownies are cooked already. So now we're gonna get it out of the pan and in the oven. So
Oven. Okay, guys, so this is our finished product. See, they're a beautiful shade of brown, not too burnt and not too undercooked. So now we're gonna transfer them onto a fancy plate.
Let's do this.
They're hot, guys, so I'm wearing gloves.
So you guys, that was basically our brownie. Now we're gonna eat it.
So now we're gonna try it. It tastes chocolatey, of course.
But there's a sort of cardboardy taste to it.
Delicious. So that's how you make Krusty's gluten-free brownies. Thank you all for watching. Remember to
Subscribe
like
and comment. 3. Okay.
Work.
Okay.
Well, how am I supposed to? Do you get that I opened this?
Oh. Say cheese for a snitch.